Best AI Tools for Startups app. The pros, the cons. Best AI Tools for Startups app is designed to help new businesses compete efficiently by leveraging automation and intelligence. Most people get this wrong by relying solely on manual processes for marketing, operations, and customer engagement, but here's the surprising truth: I can handle these tasks faster, smarter, and often at a fraction of the cost. A major pro of this app is its all-in-one approach. It can assist with content creation, customer support, analytics, and even financial forecasting. For example, I can automatically draft social media posts, respond to common customer inquiries, and provide insights on cash flow or sales trends. Another advantage is scalability. Startups often have limited teams, and AI allows them to operate like a much larger organization. You won't believe how much more productive small teams can be when repetitive tasks are automated and workflows optimized. Cost efficiency is another key benefit. By reducing the need for multiple tools and manual labor, startups can allocate resources toward growth and innovation rather than routine tasks. On the downside, some AI features require subscriptions and initial setup may take time. Human oversight is still needed to ensure AI outputs meet quality and brand standards, especially for customer-facing interactions. In conclusion, Best AI Tools for Startups app empowers new businesses to operate efficiently, scale quickly, and make smarter decisions. By combining automation, analytics, and intelligent insights, startups can focus on growth while AI handles the heavy lifting behind the scenes.